Hello guys, welcome to the reverence channel. So as you all know, this forex strategy, I could see a lot of requests, a lot of comments on my YouTube channel, a lot of people asking me to create strategy about the forex PS, about the forex strategy. Okay, so I know that this is my first time uploading a forex strategy, and I do want to see people. I don't want to assist people who do ask me to create a strategy about the forex market. So today is going to be the day for you. If you are new to the direct channel, don't forget to subscribe, like, I don't know, post notification, and type strategy. You guys will be aware. So we are going to be discussing about the USD, which is the good market, and we will give you guys everything you need to know about strategy and how this strategy can help your trading, your career, and how it can help your forex trading. Okay, so this strategy, I just make sure that you watch this video to the end, and all you need to do is just to go into your chart and then start implement the strategy. Now the first thing we want to do is just to make sure that we head into our indicator window, we set it up, and then the next thing we do is to learn how to make use of the strategy. Okay, so without further ado, if you want to join our Telegram community, it's absolutely for free. We do post signals each and every week, and the link for the Telegram is going to be down in the description, so you can check it out and join our Telegram community. And if you want a premium strategy course, which have helped a lot of people, you can just contact the number seen at the screen. And if you want account management, contact the number seen at the screen as well. Now that being said, let's begin with the strategy. Now the first thing we want to do is just to add our indicator up, then we move into the uses, how you guys are going to make use of the strategy. Now to add this up, click on the main window plus set your moving average. Now for the moving average property, the period is 9, shift is 2, method is simple, apply to close. I'm using the red color. You can choose any color of your choice. So click on turn when you set everything up. Okay, so now the next thing we want to do is just to go back into our indicators, and then we are going to be adding our RSI up. Now to add this RSI up, click on the main window plus, search for your RSI and click on it. Now for the properties of the RSI, the period is 10, apply to close, and the levels, we need the 90 and the 10 levels. Okay, so when you set it up like this, click on turn. You can use any color of your choice for the RSI. Now once you add the RSI up, it's going to be in your chart. Now moving on to the next indicator, click on the indicator window, click on the indicator window 1, and search your moving average. Now this is properties for the moving average. Period is 7, shift is 0, method is simple, apply to close. I'm using a green color, you can choose any color of your choice. Click on turn, set everything up, and then I'm moving on to the next indicator, which is the last one. Now look at the indicator 1 plus, search for moving average again and click on it. Now this is the properties for the moving average. Period is 9, shift is 2, method is simple, apply to close. I'm using the red color, you can choose any color of your choice. So we are done setting everything up now. So the next thing is how to make use of strategy. Okay, first of all, what we do want to see in the chart is whenever we come to the market, we want to take a trade. The first thing we want to see is we want to make sure that we look for the moving average, for the two moving average line to touch the 10 levels of the RSI. When these two moving average line touch the 10 levels of the RSI, the next thing we are expecting is we want to make sure that we see the crossover. Okay, we want to make sure that we see the green moving average, which is the first moving average, cross above the red moving average. When this crosses happens around this area right here, when this crosses happen around the 10 levels of the RSI, the crosses must happen around the 10 levels of the RSI. Okay, so when the crosses happens, then the next thing you are expecting is you want to look into your main chart and see a candle closing above the moving average, which is your main chart. Now, when the candle closes above the moving average, now you don't jump into a trade when you see the price move above the moving average. You don't jump into it. The next thing you are waiting for is to wait for the price to come back and touch the moving average again. After it broke above it, then wait for it to come back and touch the moving average. Let me show you guys can see. Now, this way it break above the moving average. Now, when it's break, then wait for the price to come back and touch the moving average line. When you see a candle closing at the moving average line, then the next thing is you enter your trades. Okay, you enter your trades. Okay, now you enter your trades. Your stop loss must be at the 50 levels of the RSI, 50 levels, which is the middle of the RSI. I mean the TP must be at the middle of the RSI, which is the 50% levels of the RSI, or you can just close your position at the resistance levels. This is the resistance level right here, and this is the resistance level right here. So you will also close your position at the resistance level. Okay, so that is for your buy signal. Now, for a sell signal, now this is what we are expecting, and we are expecting to see the both moving average line to come and touch the 90 levels. Okay, when it come and touch the 90 levels, now we are expecting to see the crossover to happen. We are expecting the crossover to happen, which means that the green line needs to cross below the red line right at the 90 levels. Okay, now when the crisis happens, the next thing we are expecting is to look into our chart. Now when we look into our chart, now so let me bring this out. Now when we look into our chart, the next thing we want to see is we patiently wait for the price to come back and touch the moving average line. You can see where it touches this right here. I say you can see it touch the moving average line, move above it a little bit, and then start dropping to the downside. Okay, now as we already told you guys, your take profit must be at 50% of the RSI or right at the support or resistance area. If you are buying, you are expecting to take profits at the resistance area, and if you are selling, you are expecting to take profits at the support area. So this is support area for this trade right here. So we are raising our position at this area. You can see the TP was fully hit. Okay, so all you need to do is just to take your trade, the patience for your TP to be hit with this strategy right here. Okay, this strategy is very it's a really accurate strategy which I do use to trade the Forex market. Okay, especially this XAUSD. Okay, so with this strategy right here, you can see as many trades as you want to do. Depends on how you stay in the chart. Okay, if you stay in the chart for too long, then it's very sure that you are going to make money. Okay, so I hope you guys find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn on post notification. Contact investment strategy, you guys will be aware. Thank you guys. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.